What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a share funnel with Builderall in this really quick video. By the way, if you like learning more about online marketing and affiliate marketing, then subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So I just learned this the other day and I just wanted to create a video sharing with the internet how to do it. I think it's pretty cool. So to create a share funnel, basically that's a link where you can send to people and they can duplicate that exact same funnel into their Builderall account. And a really cool bonus of this is that if they don't have a Builderall account, they will actually be prompted to create a free account, and then you can, help them, follow up with them, and basically as an affiliate, you can encourage them to upgrade and you can make commission when they do. But this is how you give away funnels as share funnels. So the first thing you probably want to do is duplicate the funnel first so that you have like a new copy of it. So this is the funnel that I just duplicated. It's really easy to duplicate a funnel. You just click duplicate. And then I named it Builderall Mastermind Master. This is a funnel that I got from Chad Bartlett. He's awesome. Check him out. Really good marketing teacher and Builderall affiliate. Anyways, the key here is this button and public layout. So if you click that, it says change successfully. I think it's okay, and then it's going to refresh. And now there's this link that says get link. So if you click that, it copies it to your dashboard. And you can see if I just paste it into this window while I have my Builderall account open, then it's automatically going to open the editor, and I'll be able to save it to my account. And okay, so this is the funnel. This is Chad's Builderall funnel. And then you click save, and then it's going to prompt you to save it as something. So what if somebody doesn't have a Builderall account, and let's say you're offering this share funnel as a bonus or as a lead magnet? So I just opened a new incognito window, and this is what would happen if somebody is not logged into their Builderall account, or if they don't have a Builderall account. Again, it opens the Builderall builder, but now when they go to save it, it's going to prompt them to either log into their account if they're not logged in, and then they can save it to their account. Or if they don't have an account, they can click on this link and they will be prompted to get Builderall, and it will be through your affiliate link. So it's a pretty cool way to make some commissions if you're doing Builderall as an affiliate, and it's just a cool trick to know if you're using the Builderall tool. By the way, if you want to know more about promoting Builderall as an affiliate, then check out the videos at the end of this video. There's a really cool overview strategy that a video that I did with Chad Bartlett, who's really one of the best Builderall affiliates in the world. So check that out. Check out the link below if you want a free trial to Builderall to give it a shot, or if you want to join my Builderall team and promote it as an affiliate, and I can provide lots of cool bonuses and help if you do that. So thanks for watching this video again about creating a share funnel in Builderall, and I hope you found it useful.